Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic reviews. Is this drink a quick fat loss hack? Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a dietary supplement that offers to support healthy and quick weight loss. The formula was developed based on the diet followed by the people of the Japanese city named Okinawa, famed for its low diabetes rates. The formula is considered effective as it contains a unique blend of ingredients sourced from Okinawa, that is designed to target the root cause of belly fat. So this Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic review will analyze the supplement in detail to help to decide if it is the quick weight loss solution you have been looking for. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic reviews antioxidant for quick weight loss. Uncontrollable weight gain has become one of the most common problems that men and women face all around the world, but especially in the United States. Unhealthy metabolism and a fast-paced lifestyle are the major reasons for this pandemic. That's why a high-quality supplement that boosts metabolism is crucial for staying healthy. Now, although there are quite a few weight loss supplements in the market today, very few among them actually offer positive results. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is the latest among them that offers to improve metabolism by increased fat oxidation and digestion with the help of its antioxidant-rich formula. So keep reading this Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic review to learn all you need to know about this supplement, including the ingredient list, how it works, what benefits you can expect, the possibility of side effects, and whether you should give it a try. What is Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is an all-natural dietary supplement in powdered form that helps support weight loss and digestion. It was developed based on a centuries-old tradition and perfected through years of modern research. According to the official website, the formula of the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic for weight loss provides you with powerful antioxidants, digestive support, and metabolic support throughout the day. The supplement also helps to balance energy levels and assist a healthy inflammation response. Each bottle of the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement contains 30 servings and will last you for a month. It is made in a modern FDA-approved and GMP, good manufacturing practices, certified facility with regular audits and quality checks. The key to the formula is a unique blend of ingredients, all sourced from nature. How does Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic work? The unique formula used in Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement comes from Japan. In fact, the name of this health supplement is derived from Okinawa, a remote island in Japan, where it is standard practice for doctors to recommend their patients to take a special blend of antioxidant herbs and foods. If you thought that the slim and trim bodies of Japanese people have all to do with genetics, think about sumo wrestlers. They are a testament to the fact that Japanese people can grow big too. So the real reason why most Japanese folks are slim and trim has something to do with their dietary habits and lifestyle. It is no coincidence that Okinawa has almost no cases of diabetes type 2, one of the lowest obesity levels, and also the longest life expectancy in the world. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic formula that is based on the dietary habits of the people of Okinawa, works on the root cause of obesity, an inflammatory protein called CRP, C-reactive protein. CRP blocks the fat-burning hormone adiponectin and damages your mitochondria, which means your body won't be able to break down nutrients into energy. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic works by blocking the C-reactive protein and activating the hormone that converts the food you eat to energy, instead of storing it as fat cells. It switches off CRP immediately, which, in turn, activates adiponectin to quickly burn belly fat. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic ingredients and recipe. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic for weight loss is made from a proprietary blend of herbs, berries, spices, minerals, and vitamins. The final supplement that you get in powdered form was arrived at after testing 140 different combinations of anthocyanins sourced from different foods. It is a mixture of various blends that work together to boost metabolism, cut cravings, support digestion, and speed up weight loss. This thorough and groundbreaking research has helped the manufacturers identify the ideal proportion and potency of these ingredients for faster weight loss. So, along with its list of potent ingredients, it is the specific ratio of these within the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic that gives it its effectiveness. Here is the detailed list of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic ingredients. Polyphenolic blend ingredients. Aronia berry. Aronia berries contain polyphenolic compounds, such as anthocyanins, and help cool down an inflamed digestive system. It also supports immunity, increases energy, and is a great source of fiber. Acai berry. Acai berries are rich in anthocyanins and support brain health while maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. It is also believed to reduce fat absorption during mealtime. Mulberry. It helps maintain healthy blood sugar and cholesterol to help your overall health. It contains a substance called rutin which helps burn fat in the body. Hibiscus. Hibiscus subdurifa is a plant that is widely seen in Asia. A tea made from hibiscus flowers is known for its tart flavor and vitamin C content. It helps reduce body weight, body fat, body mass index, and hip-to-waist ratio. In addition to these, it also contains extracts from antioxidant fruits like cherry, carrot, papaya, green mango, black currant, apple, beetroot, cranberry, strawberry, grape, blueberry, pomegranate, blackberry, acerola, raspberry, pineapple, cantaloupe, watermelon, lemon, and peach. Metabolic boosting blend ingredients. ECGC. From green tea extract and white tea extract, ECGC is linked to the reduction of body fat and is a potent stimulator of thermogenesis. By stimulating thermogenesis, ECGC can burn extra calories and reduce fat. It converts more of your fat to energy. Green tea is also linked to skin cell rejuvenation. Piperine. From black pepper. Piperine is a potent antioxidant extracted from black pepper that helps digestion and fights fat. Piperine blocks the formation of fat cells and supports healthy blood sugar metabolism. Bitter melon. Mamordica charantia, also known as bitter melon, is a melon that is widely used in the cuisines of Japan, and most significantly in Okinawa. In Okinawa, known as Goya, it is even used in place of hops as the bittering ingredient in some beers. As a medicine, it is widely used as a treatment for diabetes and as a stomachache. Besides these ingredients, the metabolic boosting blend also contains shilajit extract, ginger root, and turmeric extract. Digestive support blend ingredients. Inulin. From organic blue agave. Inulin that is usually sourced from chicory, is also found in blue agave. Inulin supports healthy digestion. It can reduce bloating and digestive discomfort. Inulin can also switch off cravings for high-calorie foods and is considered effective in improving weight loss as it directly targets visceral fat. In addition to inulin, the digestive support blend also includes probiotics like Bacillus infantis, Bifidobacterium longum, Lactobacillus rhamnosus, and Lactobacillus acidophilus in the 3 billion CFU range. What benefits can you expect from Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is not just a supplement for weight loss. In fact, the large number of high-quality ingredients ensures that it comes with a wide range of benefits that you can enjoy. Here are some of the major Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic benefits. Weight loss. The most obvious benefit of using Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is weight loss. The various ingredients used in the formula work to completely transform your physique with the restoration of a healthy BMI. This helps you live a functional life that is free of health issues. A healthy BMI is also key to thwarting heart problems, stroke, organ failure, diabetes, etc. Digestion. The second obvious benefit of using Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement is healthy digestion. The unique blend of enzymes in Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic helps support your gut health, which will, in turn, improve weight loss. It helps you with your bowel movements and nutrient absorption. This way, you will be full of energy but won't have any residual calories that your body has to store. It helps clean out your stomach of all food intake. This helps remove all toxins and harmful chemicals from the system. It also improves the innermost lining of the large and small intestines to enhance the absorption of broken down nutrients. Metabolism. An added benefit of taking Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement is that it supports your metabolism, helps increase the oxidation of fat, and supports healthy digestion so that you can go about your day with a clean belly. This helps convert all your caloric intake into the energy that you need. A fast metabolism will also help burn up the existing fat reserves in your body. This is important for getting rid of the fat belly, flabby arms, and love handles, Energize. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic will also help you feel energetic, confident, and revitalized, as the formula includes a powerful blend of antioxidants proven to support healthy inflammation response and balance energy levels. The improved digestive health and accelerated metabolism will ensure that all your body's energy needs are met with your caloric intake. Every last bit of energy will be extracted through digestion and will improve your overall efficiency. This formula also helps with the damage caused to your mitochondrion by the C-reactive protein. This improves the cellular breakdown of nutrients into energy. You will be able to limit yourself to needed portions and nothing more with this formula and yet have bubbling energy and vitality. Cognitive clarity. Since the ingredients used in Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement are directly sourced from nature and not just compounds created in a lab, it will give you the worth of every nutrient that these berries and spices contain. As such, you will enjoy a healthier brain and improved focus. Some of these ingredients are known as intelligence and cognitive superfoods. This means that they exponentially improve your brain power, memory, information processing, etc. You will be able to maintain a healthy nervous system capable of fast neurotransmissions. Your reactions and reflexes will get quicker with the use of this formula. Healthier baselines. Various ingredients in Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic formula are known to balance blood sugar and cholesterol levels in the body. As such, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement will bring back these levels to healthy ranges. Your fast metabolism will make sure that every bit of your glucose intake as well cholesterol is converted into energy. This helps overcome the fluctuation in the level of blood sugar, cholesterol, etc., safe and naturally occurring. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is made from 100% pure and natural ingredients and is perfectly safe to consume. The ingredients are tested every step of the way to ensure quality and safety. This helps remove all environmental pollutants, contaminants, pathogens, etc., that might be present. Besides, it is made in an FDA-registered premium facility in the USA. So there can be no doubts about quality. Who is it for? The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a formula that blends a multitude of ingredient complexes and helps with many aspects of your health. It has ingredients sourced from trusted growers in their most potent form. This means that you stand to gain the full effect of these blends through the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. So, if you have been facing the bad effect that obesity has on your life, you can use this formula. People who have developed diabetes, heart problems, etc., due to overweight can use this supplement to combat all such problems. And even if you are completely healthy, but want to enrich your body with all the necessary nutrients, minerals, and keep yourself looking young and fit, you too can benefit from using this formula. It is compatible with all age groups and also accounts for a variety of body types. This helps you burn up excess body fat even at the ripe age of 70 or 80. And regardless of how much fat you need to lose. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic side effects? As already said in Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic reviews, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic dietary supplement is made from 100% pure and natural ingredients and is reported to have no side effects. In fact, despite my exhaustive research, I couldn't find any customer complaints about side effects either. Besides, as mentioned before, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is made in a safe and hygienic FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility. Moreover, only the finest ingredients are used to create the formula and each batch of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic undergoes strict testing. So you can trust that each bottle of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement that comes out of the facility is of the highest quality. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement is also free from allergens and is perfectly safe to consume. However, if you are suffering from medical conditions, it is ideal that you consult your physician before use. Also, refrain from using this supplement without your doctor's consultation if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. And, do not, under any circumstance, give this supplement to those below the age of 18. Keep it well out of the reach of children. What is the recommended Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic dosage? Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a powder you simply mix with water to make a delicious tonic. As recommended by doctors, the ideal dosage is to take 1 scoop, 2,800 mg, of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Supplement around 1 hour after a light breakfast or before 10 in the morning, every day. A single bottle of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Supplement will last you 30 days. However, do not exceed the daily recommended dosage as Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic formula is designed with the perfect ratio of ingredients required for the body. Excessive amounts may cause discomfort. How long will Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic take to see results? Within days of taking Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Supplement, you will begin to see subtle changes in your body. You will also feel a heightened sense of clarity. However, the timeline varies from person to person, as each body type is different. Some might not see results even after a month. But hey, the best things take time. So don't expect your body to transform completely overnight. To see complete results, it is recommended that you continue using Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Supplement for at least 2 to 3 months. But you can be sure there will be results because the manufacturer offers a 90-day money-back guarantee if it doesn't. Following a few nutritional tips will speed up the process and optimize your body to absorb the ingredients. Doctors also recommend supplementing it with simple home workouts to make the most of the ingredients. How long will the result last? Data from test runs and surveys show that the longer you take Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Supplement, the longer the results seem to last. Typically, the results seem to last up to 1 or 2 years if you take Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Supplement consistently for 3 to 4 months. However, the results seem to last longest when supplemented with a healthy diet and light exercise. It is also quite evident from the data and customer reviews that the results diminish if Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Supplement is taken inconsistently or discontinued quickly. So it is recommended that you take Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Supplement for a prolonged period. And since the formula contains only ingredients sourced from nature, you could even make the use of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Supplement a lifelong habit. That way, you won't have to worry about the results diminishing. What do you get along with Flat Belly Tonic? 21-Day Flat Belly Manual. The 21-Day Flat Belly Manual is a digital guide that you will get as a free bonus along with purchasing Okinawa Flat Belly supplements. This digital guide includes a 3-week belly fat burning system and also provides tips that support your weight loss goals. Apart from all these, 21-Day Flat Belly Manual reveals how intermittent fasting helps to lose weight and how stress hormones makes you obese. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Drinks. This is also a digital guide that you will get as a free bonus. It includes recipes of smoothies that help you to lessen C-reactive protein, CRP, recipes of Zenberry tea, and a wake-up smoothie. Click link description to order Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic from the official website. Is it available on Amazon? No. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is not sold by any Amazon sellers. This is because the manufacturer has limited the sales and is not providing this formula to any wholesalers or retailers. Marketplaces such as Amazon have a variety of non-verified sellers which the manufacturers believe can affect the credibility of this supplement. You cannot be sure about what you are getting from such marketplaces. On the same note, do not go around according to any Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic review on Amazon as it is a marketplace with no access nor experience with this formula. They will not be able to give you the real user opinions about this supplement formula. How much does Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic cost? As per a new special offer, you can now get Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Supplement at discounted rates. A single bottle of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic or a 30-day supply of the supplement now costs just $69 and a small shipping fee. But you can get even bigger discounts if you choose to purchase one of the multi-bottle packages. The 180-day supply of 6 bottles of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic comes at a total price of $294, which means you get each bottle for as low as $49. On the other hand, the 90-day supply of 3 bottles of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic will cost you a total of $177, which means you will be paying just $59 for each bottle. These 2 packages offer you the best value since it is recommended that you use Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement for at least 2 to 3 months for the best results. Where to buy Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? The only place you can buy the original Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is the official website. The website is easy to navigate and you can order the health supplement in just a few clicks. The billing portals are completely safe and secure. And once you make the payment for your purchase, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement will arrive at your doorstep. However, be aware that there could be many fake websites on the internet that are trying to make a profit by selling products with the same or similar names. Some of them even claim to offer the same results as the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. It goes without saying that these are false claims. These websites are created with the sole intention of luring in unsuspecting customers and stealing money out of their pockets. So, you will do well to make sure you purchase Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement only from the official website. You can use the link that I have shared with Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic review to buy Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement directly from the official website, just to be sure.